Okay, chaps, so today we're going to prove the converse of the midpoint theorem. So the converse of the midpoint theorem says that if you've got a triangle and this side equal to that side, so AD equal to BD, and D is parallel to BC, then two things we can tell. First of all, that this part AE is equal to EC, and that DE is half of EC, or BC. Now, the way to do it is with similarity of triangles. I don't know if you remember from that last year. This is a good way to remember. Okay? What are similar triangles? So, similar triangles are ones that the sides have the same ratio. The sides are not the same, but they have the same ratio. And you mentioned, Sina, is the angles are the same. Not all angles, but respective angles in both triangles are the same. So, we're going to look at this triangle and the big triangle, small and the big. Now, I can prove, if we call that D1, D2, E1, E2, I can say that D1 is equal to B. Angle B equal to angle D1. Why can I say that? Why are these two angles the same? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles said with a mouthful of cupcake, beautiful cupcake, right? Corresponding angles equal, and the lines that are parallel are DE equal to BC. Okay, good. Okay, because I know these lines are parallel. But then for the same reason, I can say what other angles are equal?
Angle A.
Okay, alright, you can say, let's do it say at the end, but I can say angle A is obviously equal to itself, because it's a common angle. But there's one more angle that I can say is equal.
E1 and E1.
Okay? E1 and C, for the same reason. Yeah. Now, I didn't actually need to show that all the angles are equal. I normally only need to show that two angles are equal, because then the third one will be equal because of sum of angles in the triangle, isn't it? But anyway, I'll show that all three angles are equal. So, what I can say now, let's move to purple. Okay? That triangle, remember here I've got to be careful that the way I line up the letters are in the way that the angles are the same. So I know that angle B is angle equal to angle D1. So I'm going to call this triangle BAC, the big triangle, BAC. That is similar to triangle, here I need to be careful, angle B is equal to angle D1, so I'll put B. A is obviously equal to A, and C is equal to C. Okay? So these two triangles are similar, and the angles are equal. Thank you very much, Ruby, by the way, for that. Okay. So also I can say three angles equal. Okay. Now, if I know that these triangles are similar, like Sina said, then the ratio must be the same. So one of the things I can say is, I can say that AD, triangle or side AD, okay, divided by AB, okay, AD divided by AB, I can do it like this, AD, no, where is AD? Triangle. Okay, anyway, AD over AB will be equal to AE over AC. Okay? This side divided by that side must be equal to that side divided by that side. That's what it means, that the ratio. So the ratio will be equal ratio in similar triangle. Something like that. Something along that line. Okay? And then now, what else do I know? I know that AD equal to DB. What? AD is equal to DB. That was given. In the data. Okay? So if AD equal DB, what will AD over AB equal? If this is equal to that, then what will AD divided by AB equal to? Let's just give it a number. If AD is 2, how much BD will be? 2. So what will be AD over AB? 2 divided by 4. Okay? So if these two sides are the same, then that is really half of the whole thing, right? So AD over AB will be half. It will be half. Okay? So therefore, still see it here? Just about. Let me just move over here. So therefore, AE over AC is also going to be half. Because we said they're equal, right? So then I can just transform it. I'm going to move AC there and 2 over there. So I can see that AC is going to be equal to 2AE. AC is equal to 2AE. Okay? That plus that. So what does that mean that EC is equal to? Also A. Eastern K. Okay? So that was one thing. Okay? That was one thing that I wanted to prove. The other one was I want to show that DE divided BC is half. But obviously DE over BC is also that side divided, the side of the small triangle divided by the side of the big triangle is also going to be equal to AD over BD. So that's also going to be half. No, that's what I need to prove. I needed to prove that. That's stuff I needed to prove. So I proved that one, A equal EC, and now I'll prove that one. Okay? So it all basically, the whole proof works on to prove that these two triangles are similar. And once I know that they're similar, because I showed that the angles are the same, then the ratio must be the same. And if that divided by that is half, then that divided by that is half, and that divided by that is half. Okay? I know it's a bit difficult. It's a higher level. This is more like matric level. But we're preparing you for it, okay? It'll be all right. Right, guys, let's do some questions.